Insights about split system air conditioner. A split system air conditioner simply implies that the condenser is separated from indoor unit. There is at least one unit that sits in the room and a compressor on the outside at a convenient place either on the ground or hung to the walls in a group. Each model comes with unique features as some have multiple indoor units and a single compressor. One requires to consider some factors before choosing the size of the air conditioning. One of them is determining the number of indoor units required. At normal conditions each room uses a single unit, although in homes with open areas one is able to cool multiple rooms. This technique of air conditioning employs a copper connection pipe and an electrical wiring in order to connect the outdoor to the indoor unit. A gas refrigerant is then pumped from the condenser coil and a compressor through the pipe connection up to the inside units. A fan then distributes cool air quietly across the evaporator coil. This method of temperature regulation is able to control the quantity of cold air getting in a room with the help of a thermostat or an infrared remote. A single room or area of a house maintains a different temperature from others within the same building. This technique is a perfect solution in residential houses that require only certain rooms to be cooled. It is used to regulate the temperature levels in large structures like supermarkets and retail stores since they can be too hot or cold. It can also be used to condition the living room throughout the daytime and the bedroom at night. Due to space demands on recent buildings, modular and exceptional purpose offices may be necessary to installed. The split air conditioners work great as the condenser can be located outside the office and wires with connection pipes be run into the room. The ceiling units or inside wall are extra cost effective as they distribute air with precision. The system can be installed in several places since with it no duct work or distribution techniques are required. The split system air conditioner have currently been installed everywhere the world in several places including large and small offices, hotels, institutions of higher learning, shops and other areas. This technique has a number of benefits in comparison to others as it is cost effective, cheaply maintained, and quiet in its operation, easily installed and is designed in an attractive manner. These systems have washable filters which only require periodical cleaning. If your split system air conditioner needs repairs, contact Frost Air Conditioning Repairs in Sydney, NSW. They can handle air conditioning repairs on all major brands. Article source: https://ezinearticles.com/expert/ian_woodhouse/1380377